Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings from Shannon Rollings Real Estate, and I'm here with several things you shouldn't do or say if you're visiting a home you think you might really be interested in buying. In today's market, be aware. There are smart homes with audio and video recording, so be aware of what you're saying and doing when you're visiting a home. Also, if a seller is there or a seller's agent, you want to, again, be conscientious of what you're saying and doing because you don't want to tip your hand to the seller to let them know how truly interested you are in a home because it could hurt your ability to negotiate. For instance, to start with, you don't want to say, "This is absolutely gorgeous, it's my dream home." The seller may think they don't need to negotiate further with you. Also, keep your compliments of the home to yourself. Talk about that after you leave the home so that the seller isn't aware how very excited you might be about a home. At the same time, you don't need to talk about things that you don't like about the home because you might offend the seller, like this god-awful wallpaper or terrible carpet. Also, if you want to know why a seller is selling, don't ask them that directly. Have your agent ask their agent. A seller might think that is just too intrusive and it's none of your business, and they may not get a good feel about working with you if you're asking them something like that. Also, if you think the home is overpriced, don't say that in the home either. Don't say it's overpriced, they're never going to sell it for this, because they may hear this and get offended by it and not want to work with you. Also, it's a good thing not to let them know you're well qualified or overqualified for that home and you could buy it no problem, because again, they may think they don't need to negotiate with you then when it comes time to do that. And if you're making an offer and you truly are interested in the home, don't make a lowball offer. You run the risk of offending that seller and they may not want to work with you at all. Instead, consult with your agent, come up with an offer which seems reasonable for both the buyer and seller. And for more information about buying or selling, visit my website at shannonr.com, and thanks for watching.